My name is Eamon Mitchell, and I'm the Programme Coordinator for the Master in Education in Educational Leadership and Management programme at MIC. This Master programme extends Mary Immaculate College's strong commitment to the principle of professional development in the education system. It supports those interested in and/or involved with leadership and management in a multitude of educational contexts in gaining new skills and knowledge to excel in their roles. A specific focus of this high-flex part-time master's programme is to provide students with a wide range of assessments like portfolios, academic essays, practitioner projects, poster development and more. Content such as leadership theory, practical applications for leadership and management and educational leadership research is covered. We value different learner strengths and prepare students for future careers in leadership and management in the education sector. Check out mic.ie for more details.